Best foods for gut health. What to eat and avoid. You probably heard the phrase, you are what you eat. Well, when it comes to your gut, that couldn't be more true. Your food doesn't just feed you, it feeds the trillions of bacteria in your gut. Let's start with what to eat. If your gut had a superhero team, these are the foods your gut would call to save the day. Number 1, high fiber fruits and veggies, the gut's favorite meal. Fiber is like fertilizer for your gut microbes, and most of us don't get enough. Leafy greens, broccoli, vibrant colorful berries, apples and bananas are some of the best foods to support a healthy gut microbiome. Why? Colorful food means visual variety and emphasizes polyphenol diversity. A 2020 study in Cell Host found that plant diversity, not just quantity, correlates with microbiome diversity. Try to eat 30 different plant foods a week. Veggies, fruits, herbs, spices, legumes. It's not hard if you mix things up. Number 2, whole grains and legumes. Fiber plus resistant starch combo. Start your day with chia puddings or millets. Enjoy lentils or chickpeas for lunch and go for quinoa at dinner. These foods feed the bacteria that produce butyrate, a powerful short-chain fatty acid that cools inflammation in the gut. Number 3, fermented foods. Add live culture to your plate. Fermented foods are packed with probiotics, good bacteria that directly supports your gut. They also produce beneficial compounds that help digestion. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi. Some of them might sound fancy, but they are becoming more common by the day. Homemade curd, pickles, and even kanji are great traditional choices. Which fermented foods have you tried or want to try? Let me know in the comments. Number 4, prebiotic foods. Fertilizer for the microbiome. Prebiotics are food for probiotic. Think of them as gut fertilizer. Garlic, onions, and leeks are great options. But here's the fun trick. Cooked and cooled potatoes or rice form resistant starch, which feeds the good guys. Number 5, nuts and seeds. Fiber, fats and antioxidants in one. They are small but mighty, packed with fiber, healthy fats and polyphenols. These little guys help good bacteria thrive and reduce gut inflammation. Number 6, polyphenol rich foods. Gut boosting antioxidants. Good news, your gut loves polyphenol. That means a little dark chocolate, green tea, turmeric, or even a small cup of coffee can actually be good for your gut in moderation. Polyphenols are like natural prebiotics, supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria like bifidobacteria. To keep it simple, eat whole, eat colorful, eat fermented. It's basically a Mediterranean style diet. We have just covered what to eat for a thriving gut. Now let's flip the plate. Let's see what foods are hurting your gut microbiome. So if you're serious about gut health, these are the top foods to limit. What to avoid? Number 1, ultra processed foods and added sugars. Processed foods are the public enemy number 1 for your gut. They feed the wrong bacteria, trigger inflammation, and offer zero fiber. High sugar diets reduce microbial diversity and promote harmful bacteria like Clostridium difficile. Number 2, artificial sweeteners and emulsifiers. Just because something has 0 calories doesn't mean it's harmless. Artificial sweeteners like sucralose and aspartame can mess with your gut bacteria, and ingredients called emulsifiers like polysorbate ET and carboxymethylcellulose, which are added to make food smoother, have been shown in animal studies to weaken the gut lining and cause inflammation. If you need a sweetener, try stevia or monk fruit in moderation, but train your taste buds to need less sweetness over time is very important. Number 3, excessive alcohol. Let's talk alcohol. Your gut lining is sensitive, and too much booze wears it down, kills good bacteria, and opens the door to leaky gut. Even moderately drinking can reduce microbial diversity and can increase harmful metabolites like acetaldehyde. Better to avoid it than limiting it. Number 4, processed meats and trans fats. Hot dogs, bacon, fast food. These foods aren't just high in fat and sodium. They contain preservatives, nitrates, and inflammatory fats that harm your gut lining and bacteria. Choose lean poultry, eggs, lentils, or omega-3 fish like salmon instead. Number 5, dairy. Dairy can be tricky. For some, it causes discomfort and bloating. But for many, fermented foods like dairy curd or kefir improves gut health. And don't forget, unnecessary antibiotics, smoking, and alcohol can wreak havoc on your gut microbiome. Only take antibiotics when prescribed and talk to your doctor about gut recovery afterwards. Your gut is resilient. It needs the right environment. Avoiding these foods can give your microbiome clean slate they need to thrive. A gut-friendly diet doesn't mean perfection. It means making smarter choices one meal at a time. Add more plants, add more fiber, add more fermented foods. Cut back on what starves your good bacteria: sugar, ultra-processed junk, and artificial sweeteners. And your gut microbiome is listening to every bite you take, and they respond very fast. Change your plate, and in just a few days, your microbiome starts to shift. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. If you want deeper insights, join our YouTube membership for exclusive videos on sleep, weight loss, gut health, cortisol, and more. And if you're in India and need help in weight loss, our expert guided weight loss programs are available both online and in person. Click the link in the description for more information. See you soon. Bye.